Are you ready to take your gaming setup to the next level? Introducing the KEDIERS C700 E-ATX Tower PC case, the epitome of style, performance, and customization. This full tower case is engineered for gamers who demand the best, offering a plethora of features that make building and maintaining your dream PC a breeze. Let's talk about cooling. With not just one, not two, but a whopping 10 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, this case ensures optimal airflow for your high-performance components. And the best part? These fans are synchronized with an ARGB controller, allowing you to customize lighting effects to your heart's content. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to a visually stunning gaming rig that stands out from the crowd. But it's not just about cooling and aesthetics. The C700 boasts 4mm thick tempered glass panels, providing a crystal clear view of your RGB-lit internals. Whether you're admiring your handiwork or showing off to friends, the C700 creates an immersive gaming atmosphere like no other. Connectivity is key, and the C700 doesn't disappoint. With a convenient I/O panel featuring two USB 3.0 ports, a Type-C port, and HD audio, you'll have easy access to all your peripherals without fumbling around the back of your PC. And let's not forget about cable management. With ample space for storage drives and a removable cable box, keeping your build neat and tidy has never been easier. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to a clean, professional-looking setup. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the C700 is its remarkable expansion capabilities. Compatible with the ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, this case offers unparalleled flexibility for future upgrades and customization. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time builder, the C700 has you covered. In summary, the KEDIERS C700 E-ATX Tower PC case is a true game-changer for gamers who demand the best. With its exceptional cooling, stunning aesthetics, convenient connectivity, and unmatched expansion options, it's the perfect choice for building the ultimate gaming rig. Say hello to the future of PC gaming with the C700. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.